Have you ever wondered how some people seem to meditate with such ease and depth? Today, we're diving into the secrets of meditating like a pro. Meditation is more than just sitting still. It's a journey into the depths of your mind. When done correctly, meditation can transform your mind, body, and soul. But how do the pros do it? From the monks in the Himalayas to the busy city dwellers, everyone has their unique approach, but there are some universal tips that can elevate your meditation experience. Tip 1. Create a serene environment. Whether it's lighting a candle, playing soft music, or simply finding a quiet corner, setting the right ambience can make a huge difference. Tip 2. Posture matters. Sit comfortably, with your back straight. This allows energy to flow freely and helps you stay focused. Tip 3. Start small. If you're new to meditation, start with just 5 minutes a day and gradually increase your time. Tip 4. Use tools. There are numerous apps and guided meditations available that can assist you in your journey. Tip 5. Join a community. Meditating with others can amplify your experience and provide a sense of belonging. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to meditating like a pro. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. Embrace each moment and discover the magic within. For more tips and techniques, subscribe to our channel